Hi, where are you? Hello, annyeong. Welcome to our Yumo vlog. Welcome, welcome. Nangay-nangay. Susday. Susday friend. Susday friend.
This is sign language for help.
Annyeong friend.
Hello. Mic test.
Hello, girl. Nice to see you. Oh my God. Nice to see you again. Uy, very aesthetic.
Yeah.
Aesthetic.
So nice.
So nice.
Andito ba tayo sa U-Mall today? What can you say about the mall so far?
It's nice, actually. It's like, what's this? If you're looking for an aesthetic place, mall, 2-in-1. Oh, 2-in-1. You can, it's here. Welcome here. Welcome here. Welcome to Yumo.
Parang tatlong beses mo na
Kung gusto niyo ng aesthetic place.
This kind of gives like Bangkok vibes. This gives,
Very different,
Yeah.
actually, sa mga malls dito sa Phnom Penh.
and the shops are all unique.
Yeah. Like us.
Come on, Nangay fans, let's go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Okay,
So-
first floor we have tea toys, and cafe. I think you can buy
toys.
like figures.
Anime.
If you zoom over there, they have a lot of figures.
Vegeta and who's this one? Sunod na si Zoro ba yun?
And then
So,
we
yan.
have a flower shop, seeds.
See the better life. Wow.
Tapos dito, Seeds Beauty.
May bakery, may
Ito,
ano sila,
flowers.
bistro.
Tapos dito, beauty.
Beauty.
Ano?
Ay.
So,
Beauty. And the
so
toilet.
Yeah.
Parking space. Oh,
That's
glow.
the first floor.
Glow, glow, glow. First floor.
Okay, come
Wala,
on,
parang taga
Dominos.
dito ka, girl. So, we're going
Heading
up.
to the second floor. Wow! Nangay.
Nangay. Are you okay, Nangay?
Ooh, we have a candy shop.
Right.
Siyo.
Ay, Siyo.
Siyo ganda. Siyo ganda.
Mamala
Ay, dito
time.
Mala time. Ano yan?
Noodles.
Parang spicy. We have rice noodles.
Nice.
And then, if you're needing sugar, come to this place.
Ganun.
This one is BZZ Clay Pot.
Parang hot pot din. Kinamera. Off to
Hi, Jilaw.
third
Hua.
floor. Ben
we
Ben
have-
hot pot.
Ben Ben Hot Pot.
Elevators, hot pots.
Cute naman ng cow. Oh, they have Korean too. Insider 중에 insider.
Oh,
Uy, nice.
nice.
Nice
Burger. Nice burger.
No, gusto mo mag-exercise.
Exercise
Oh,
tayo.
glute exercise. Ano to yung glute?
Ay, hindi ko na yun kailangan, Besh.
Okay. Share mo lang.
Yung lighting din, oh.
Ito, parang gusto ko lang i-try.
Chinese.
Japanese curry.
Chinese.
Chinese.
Ay, Chinese.
May sushi din.
Oh. Sige,
So,
bakut.
Welcome to my shop. Charot.
Oh, may bench din sila pag pagod na kayo. Kakalakad, kakaano sa mall nila.
Pleasure. Sabi, pleasure. Hindi, ito. Ito. Pleasure, sabi.
Ang cute.
Ano kayo yung the word Japanese?
B-box. Ayan, let's go up.
Let's go. Nice. Nice.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Koi fish. Wow.
Wow.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Oh.
Ito na po yung place na dito na po kami ililibre ni Sam.
Ganda po ng architecture nila. Architecture.
Architecture
3D
yan.
art. And this is the playground. Player
Playground.
1. Napupunta kami dito ni Sam, ang daming tao.
Since Friday.
Saturday
Saturday
kami
nung
pumunta.
punta kayo dito.
Pwede ba mag-ano dito? Sige.
Libre ba yung slide?
Sige. Try natin to mamaya.
Libre ba tong slide?
Oo, pero kailangan mo atang pumunta sa taas.
Ay? Mamaya try ko tong slide.
So, ito. Try natin to mamaya. Uy, may ano to? Ay, besh! Wait lang. Ang bigat din naman. Tingnan natin mamaya. Try po natin mamaya. Kakain mo na. Ganun. Ganun. Pero bakit gitara yung mo? Crazy guitar.
High score, 5.
Kakain na ngayon. Dito na yung food court.
May concert si Sam.
Uy!
Uy, may photo booth.
Ano? Photo booth.
Photo booth.
Ay, photo booth. Saan?
Kami lang to, Sam.
May si ano? May si
Bini.
Selena Gomez.
Bini.
Si Selena
Binigo.
Bini.
Bini.
Binigay.
Binitawa. Binitawan. Binigo. Binitawan. Binigay. Oh, 85.
Food court po.
Food
ito.
court.
There's a lot of choices of
Bakery.
Korean food.
Kapap.
Bakery. Oo.
Oo.
New York hotdog. Uy, parang masarap yan.
Parang.
Alam, taga New York.
Hello,
Ito,
tea.
hello
Oh.
tea. Ay, parang masarap din yung cheese nila.
Pabili, te. Vietnamese food.
Yes. Vietnamese food po dito.
Oh.
And then we have, ito marami pong
Hindi ko na
chairs.
maintindihan.
We
Ito
have
yung
a lot
mga
of chairs.
Pero maganda yung ano nila,
Diba?
table.
Tingnan mo dun.
Very
Diba?
aesthetic.
Uy, Singapore dupe.
Uy, ang
Singapore
ganda.
dupe.
Nung paganyan nila.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
There's an indoor waterfall.
Indoor.
Dito kami nagmukbang ni Sam.
Ay, dito. Bakit di ko wala pa, hindi nyo pa pinost?
Si Sam, di pa niya pinost.
Ano ba naman yan, Sam? I-post mo na.
Welcome to Changi Airport.
Changi
Ay,
Airport.
Changi
Oh,
Airport. Come on.
come on.
Ay, pwede
Everybody,
rin. Ay,
let's go. Uy, ang ganda.
Wow.
Tara,
Diba?
ay, doon tayo.
Pwede ba dyan?
Ay, for dalawa lang.
Oo nga.
Tara,
For
ay, sakay.
two, for
For
two.
two.
Pwede ba?
Pwede ba?
Try natin. Pwede ata.
Let's try.
Naka-open naman.
Try lang.
Uy, nice. Uy, pwede tayo mamaya. Oh, di ba? Nice. Welcome to Venice, Grand Canyon. Grand Canyon ba?
Grand Canal.
Smile mo lang. Wow, good.
Grand Canal, Vesh.
Mas malawak doon.
Mas maganda kung ano for
Dessert. Ganun na lang,
dessert, ganon, or dalawa lang kayo, or yan, like, kwentuhan lang.
Row,
Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is right.
Life is right.
Life is like a dream. Ang ganda.
There's a lot of people here during the weekends, so I advise to come. I recommend to come on the weekdays
Weekdays yan, mas maganda.
since you can have everything for yourself.
Price.
Maganda. Red chili.
Ikaw ba naman?
Ang gusto ko yung to eat.
Na, CEO na nga.
Thai food. Tapos, Hainan chicken rice. Singaporeans.
Parang masarap yung ang Singaporean food na. 3 shape.
3 sheeps. Chongqing noodles.
Kasi may nabash na pala ako sa
Ay, meron pa dito oh.
oh, why po fan.
Why po fun? Kung di nyo alam kakainin nyo,
Extension
punta
ng
na lang
food
kayo
court.
dito.
Tapos nice din yung paintings nila dito.
Yeah.
Diba?
Sure.
Kasi usually party sa Malaysia, puro street arts, yung mga ano
Oo.
nila.
Uy, may ice cream drink.
Saan? Oh, Polar. May ice cream ba?
Hindi ko alam. Parang drinks lang siya.
Pero parang halos
Oh,
yung
drinks
mga wala
lang.
talaga, hindi common.
Oo, di ba?
Hindi common na food, eto,
Mga
restaurants, ganon.
hindi pa kayo maubusan ng pagkakainan dito.
Chinese food, Japanese food, Singaporean food,
Korean food,
Thai food.
Thai food, Vietnamese food.
So,
Nangay.
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 Parang ang saya lang tumambay dito.
True. Pag weekday.
Weekday.
Pag weekday. Pag weekend, punong-puno.
Pero syempre, pag weekday, we have...
Work.
Work.
Pag ano ka na lang, pag short day mo, ganun. Magde-decide na po kami kung anong kakainin namin.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys later. Bye!
Bye!